What's up, y'all? It's your girl Breezy Acrylics, and I'm back with another video. Whether you are new or returning, thank you so much for doing so. You are greatly appreciated. I'm a nail enthusiast. I enjoy doing trendy nail art, not so trendy nail art, nail tutorials, and anything else nail related. So if that is something that you're interested in, go to subscribe. I promise you'll love it here. As you can tell with the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay my acrylic. I'm going to be using 178 by Dynamic Nail Supply. I'm using their monomer as well. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, so I'm not really good at explaining things, but we're going to try. Okay, so I just placed down a bead and I'm just patting it very gently, just trying to keep that acrylic in shape. And by in shape, I just mean aligned with the nail tip. That way later on there's not much filing, and then you see me just swiping down here, covering the free edge. I'm cleaning up the free edge now. I already went in with another bead. Okay, Miss Fastness. Pressing it down just the same way I did the first bead, keeping it aligned, keeping it in shape. And then I'm gonna swipe down gently. Not swiping down too fast while removing product, but swiping down to cover the free edge of the nail. Now going in with the cuticle bead, keeping it in line, swiping it down. Moving on to the next nail, I'm doing the same process, pressing it down, making sure it's flush, keeping the size and shape, and I'm also swiping it down to cover that free edge. If your acrylic is sticking to your brush like mine was, you just saw it doing that, go ahead and dip your brush into the monomer and then wipe some of the monomer off just a little bit, just to keep the acrylic from sticking. You can swipe away too much product if it's just sticking. Pushing that bead down, trying to maintain that shape at the end so there's less filing, and then I'm just swiping down very gently. The method I'm doing is whatever bead method I need to cover this entire nail, whether that's 3, 4, 5, baby, we're going to get that nail covered. And we're all set. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like and a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.